Here we are back in the shop, and today we're going to talk about gold. That's right, every single item you see on that table there has a form of gold inside of it. It has different carats and different values, but I tell you what, once you wrap all that stuff up into a beautiful little nugget, it is undeniable going to be a beautiful, beautiful thing. So let's crack into it and see exactly what we're going to do. All right, so right off the bat, I know I've been gone a little while, but as you can see, I have been putting in work. That's right, and we got even more work to be done. I don't even know where to begin with all of this material, so we're going to go through it on this episode, and we're going to get to it. That's right, there's so much stuff. There's a few different processes we're going to have to do to get all that wonderful gold out of this material, but we are going to do it. Look at those ram sticks are just stacked and stacked, and a lot of these are going to be double BGA ram sticks, so that makes even more of a difference. We also have mail call. We have to get through a few packages here. Since I last talked to you guys, we have received some mail from some friends. Absolutely. But this material here is just ludicrous, you guys. We got some RAM that still has the heat spreaders or shielding on there. We got tons of gold flashing and gold bearing material boards right here, Wi-Fi cards and such, buttons from phones and things. We also have other phone boards and other telecommunication and other communication devices of all kinds. That's right. There is tons of stuff to be had on all of these items. It is just outrageous, some of the gold you can find in some of your everyday items. It really truly is, and a lot of you won't run across this much in this volume in your everyday, but that's okay. It's not, doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It's there. It just may be in smaller amounts, and that's right. You're gonna find gold-plated connectors and pins and such all over the place. Even the cards inside of your old cell phones. You got your Sims cards. Those guys are gonna have some gold as well. Even your old you have old calculators. That's right. Look at this guy right there. That's an old calculator. We'll talk about him later. You have some DLP chips right here in various different flavors. And we even have some gold-plated bars. No joke. Can't lie. There they are. That's right. So yeah, they look nice, but I'm willing to bet you're going to have just a thin layer, but they're super, super sweet. We got CPUs of all various kinds. That's right. We got them there. We got some other kinds of boards here, and we have all this RAM. That's right. We have, all sorts. I don't even know where to begin. We've got some single-sided RAM. We got some double-sided RAM. We got some DDR3, DDR4. We got double BGA stacks. We got some that have a CPU in the center of them. Again, we have some that still has the shielding on them. We also have some variant different kinds of, say, your laptop RAM, so on and so forth. They're all going to absolutely have tons and tons of gold inside of it. So I tell you guys what, it's going to be one heck of a ride, and we're going to get there. But our next episode coming up is going to be our mail call, and if you guys have kind of a suggestion of where we should start, or if you have any suggestions on how we should process any of this, the suggestions are more than welcome. I have a pretty good idea of how we're going to do all of this stuff, but I tell you what, I always love new ideas. So if you guys want to drop a comment down below and let me know how you guys are kind of feeling about this, because that's like 500 RAM sticks sitting right there, thereabouts, give or take. But I tell you guys what, we're gonna have another video coming out here shortly. I just wanted to get this out here for you guys so you guys can understand exactly why I've been so busy. We also got the fume hood and all the lab going, and we have been absolutely dropping our own gold. So we're to the point to where we are upstepping our process into this. That's right. Small scale and our own personal tests are over with, and now here is the big show, you guys. That's right. We are going to crank this stuff out, and we are going to go from box to button. That's right. We're going to see one solid button out of all this material by the end of it. And by the end of it, I mean within a couple weeks, because I have to have this stuff done because we're going to get some more to do. So With that being said, I certainly missed you guys. I hope you guys have missed me as well. This is going to be a crazy, crazy ride. And absolutely let me know. Share this out. Make sure you guys, for all you new people, subscribe to me. You know all the business. You know how it goes. And let's get these videos out there. And to all my subscribers, man, I am so glad you guys hung around to see this. I've worked very hard to make you guys some really good videos. So with that being said, to my wife, I love you. To my kids, go wash your face.